Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create DeepL account. It is a very simple step. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.deepl.com and press enter. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. There you can see the option login at the top right. You need to click over there. Now here, if you have your account, then you can simply fill down the credential and click on login. But if you don't have your account, then you need to click on sign up. Now firstly, you need to enter your email. After that, you need to simply click on continue. Likewise, you need to set a new password. After you are done creating yourself a password, simply click on this option. I want to receive updates like DeepL news and personalized content. It's possible to unsubscribe at any time. After that, you need to simply click on create account. And after that, your DeepL account will be created. But remember that it is only a free version of the account that you have created. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.